Hello, everyone.
On June 19, 2024, his radar detected a light blue Toyota Corolla racing westbound on Interstate 4 at a speed exceeding 100 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour speed limit zone.
Traffic, northbound 35, you might speed. Taking exit 46 Bravo.
One by one, the suspects emerged. Russell in the driver's seat, James Shea Danielle Parks in the front passenger seat, and Lillian Yvonne Smith and Frank Leon Doyle in the back seats. A search of Russell's person revealed a small black package tucked in his sock containing a white powdery substance, as well as a small bag containing a mysterious purple substance found in Parks's purse. Meanwhile, Doyle and Smith were deemed uninvolved and released at the scene.
Give us 94, 1018 from Tampa PD. 10, 10, 1018, keep it easy.
On April 28, 2022, when the West Central Drug Task Force alerted the Minnesota State Patrol about a suspicious vehicle possibly transporting illegal narcotics, the suspect refused to comply, slammed the gas pedal, and triggered a dangerous high-speed chase on Minnesota's highways.
They're northbound by LAC. 10-4. That's correct. Yep, 10-4. Attempting pit. Successful pit. 6772 Highway 27. Oop. They're continuing. Going west on 27. We have assault on officer and refuse to get out of the vehicle. Boy Edward Union 226 to be a blue Chevy Cruze occupied times 3. May have struck that silver Tahoe and clipped the bumper. minor damage. Northbound, 169.
69 from Highway 27 to the south. Oil Eagle top of second tower.
It's the only car in front of me traveling.
The suspects drove at full speed, weaving through traffic, endangering everyone on the road. The police set up spike strips ahead, but the suspects swerved, narrowly avoiding the trap, and the chase continued.
Status revoked.
Going to the Y, and they are westbound on 18. Westbound on 18.
The officers initiated a calculated plan. Using GPS tracking, they monitored the suspects until they reached a deserted dirt road. At that point, the officers made their move, forcing the vehicle to come to a stop. When the dust settled, the driver lay motionless and was pronounced dead at the scene from gunshot wounds. Another suspect, seated in the front passenger seat, sustained a non-fatal shoulder injury. Inside the vehicle, police discovered a horrifying stash, large quantities of illegal drugs, paraphernalia, and other incriminating evidence. All 4 occupants of the car were charged with first-degree drug possession. Additional charges included fleeing in a motor vehicle, reckless driving, and assaulting a police officer. At the end of the morning on April 29, 2024, Officer Ramirez tailed the Charger, which was speeding over 110 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone, to get a closer look. The driver was a light-skinned black male with short braided hair and a determined expression. 2 passengers were inside, a woman in the front seat and another man in the back. The officer activated his lights and sirens, but the Charger only responded with a bold acceleration, roaring past 130 miles per hour. The Charger miscalculated while attempting to squeeze between a box truck and a sedan, sparks flying as metal met metal. The Charger spun half a turn and came to a stop. When the vehicle came to a stop, chaos erupted again. The driver climbed over the center console, shoving the female passenger out of the way as he bolted out the passenger door. The male passenger followed suit, with both of them running in different directions. The driver, later identified as Tavion Lawan Robinson, was found hiding in a garbage can. On June 1, 2024, Officer Daniel Alvarez spotted a silver Dodge Charger. The vehicle's windshield was tinted beyond the legal limit. Officer Alvarez initiated a traffic stop, and the driver handed over his driver's license and vehicle registration. However, a strong odor of marijuana emanating from the vehicle prompted Alvarez to call for backup. Realizing he was caught, the driver slammed the Charger into gear, the engine roaring and tires screeching. The chase had begun.
He's going west on 896. He's still westbound.
896.
Hold on, guns up.
A search revealed a small bag of marijuana in his pocket, but the true discovery was in the trunk. Inside a black backpack, officers uncovered a criminal's toolkit, vacuum-sealed bags of marijuana, a scale, drug paraphernalia, and a clear bag containing fentanyl, a deadly drug responsible for countless deaths. As officers processed the scene, they made another chilling discovery: a minor sat in the passenger seat, visibly shaken but unharmed.
a fleeing vehicle flipped over on the road. While attempting to change lanes at high speed, the vehicle collided with another car on the road. Finally, the police successfully surrounded the vehicle. The suspect was apprehended after an exhilarating chase. Law enforcement ensured the safety of the public and prevented a potentially dangerous situation. On May 23, 2024, Sergeant Eric Turner, a veteran officer of the Florida Highway Patrol, FHP, was conducting his routine patrol on Interstate 95. He spotted a black Cadillac speeding at 80 miles per hour in a zone with a 65-mile-per-hour limit. The car was weaving dangerously in the second lane, prompting Eric to immediately activate his lights and siren, signaling the driver to pull over. Not only did the Cadillac driver refuse to stop, but they also sped up, initiating a dramatic chase on the road.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hey! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Yeah!
The finale. After multiple commands to exit the vehicle, Greta, a young woman only 21 years old, finally surrendered. The atmosphere in Santee, California suddenly grew tense as a red pickup truck sped down the highway like a rocket at speeds reaching 90 miles per hour. The chase reached its climax when the truck came to a stop at a red light on Ocean View Hills Parkway. This was the opportunity undercover officers had been patiently waiting for. In a swift move, they surrounded the truck, blocked its escape, and drew their guns, ordering the driver to step out. However, the driver refused to cooperate, struggling and resisting fiercely. After a brief scuffle, the officers subdued him and dragged him out of the vehicle.
Hey man, just relax, all right? It's all over now. Let's relax. It's all over, dude. Chill out. Just chill out, dude. We're not here, okay?
When Arkansas State Police Officer Matthew Price received a call about a black Chevy Silverado, a rental truck, refusing to stop during a routine traffic stop, the truck sped away at a staggering 122 miles per hour in a 45 miles per hour zone.
Stand by. We're back eastbound on 64. 21, you might get up there. I don't know if my car's gonna make it. I got quite a bit of damage, I think.
What time are you gonna go?
Yeah, I'm having issues too. It was a black male driver. Passing River Road, speed's 110. I don't know what's wrong with my car. I don't know how much longer I'm able to stay in it.
River Road 110. Franklin County has 5 10 miles. What do you want to keep behind him until you get there? If you find a safe space, just go ahead if you slow down.
Alright, we're coming up to exit 20. Yeah, we're eastbound 64, coming towards Mulberry. Alright, we continued on passing Dollar General, speeds 85. 21, you're going to have to get up here. Alright, we're coming up to Merle Lane, it looks like, Merle Lane. The truck has driver's side damage now from my pit. He's passing somebody on the right shoulder. Speed 62. I need a charger up here. This guy's got too much takeoff. Go. Come on, 21. Keep your speed up. Alright, we're coming up to the Little Mulberry. Speed still 100.
The chase finally reached Mulberry, where officers prepared for another P-hit maneuver. Officer Price executed a perfect spin, forcing the Silverado to a halt. Within moments, support units surrounded the truck, guns drawn. their voices booming as they ordered the occupants to exit the vehicle.
Get your hands up! Get your fucking hands up! Get up! Get your hands up! Shut it off! Shut the truck off!
Everybody hold what you got. Hold what you got. Get out of the truck and get on the ground. You try anything, you're going to get shot. Get out of the ground!
Turn away!
Go to the other side. Go to the other side.
Hands up! Time to get him up to the roof!
Hey, cover me. Just cover me. Everybody cover me. Cover me. He's got a seatbelt. Let's shoot. Get over there with them.
Backwards!
Roll down that back window. Ten 15, 3 times.
10, 14, 15, 3 times. Good job, guys.
AC, I really have. Get in the car. I don't want to hear another excuse.
On the morning of May 11, 2022, an unusual Monday unfolded in Oklahoma as a fiery chase ensued involving a driver defying the law. It remains unclear where the chase began, but at one point the driver was heading westbound on I-40 from McLeod. In a desperate attempt to stop the vehicle, a highway patrol officer executed a skillful sneak tactic. He deftly used the pit maneuver technique, causing the truck to lightly collide with the highway's barrier. However, the driver persisted in attempting to escape, accelerating and continuing the chase. The chase ultimately ended with the police apprehending 2 suspects. The truck was severely damaged, but fortunately, no serious injuries were reported. The police worked efficiently to ensure public safety and prevent a dangerous situation.
Alright, he just slowed up, looks like we're making a U-turn through the camera. Then U-turn and Clark Road back westbound.
On May May 7, 2024, a dangerous chase rocked the city of Columbus. 2 teenagers, a stolen car, and a thrilling journey. This story will keep you on the edge of your seat.
Let's blow through here. Go through it. Go through it.
Take me eastbound.
See, I can't see. Got through all this.
Travel with me, head towards Harrisburg Pike here.
I can't see, bro. How did you make it through all this? Ran it all over.
I'm going to agree on all of this place.
631 Simon Riverbend.
Your job reaches the entranceway to the Cook Stadium. Your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
Get out, get out.
Back to that.
As the chase continued, an officer boldly executed a perfect P-hit maneuver, causing the Hyundai to lose control and crash into a tree. That was the moment everything came to an end. Both teenagers have a criminal record related to car thefts. They are currently being held at a juvenile detention center, awaiting their court hearing.